Hi boys and girls, I made you a video on two-point perspective. I hope this helps you in drawing your two-point perspective boxes. Here we go. So first thing you need to do is draw your horizon line. Remember, our horizon line is at our eye level, and it's just a horizontal line that goes across the middle of your page. Okay? Step 2 is to put on your vanishing points. So they are just little dots on that horizon line, one at each end, like so. The important thing to know is vanishing points represent the area of space furthest away. Okay, they represent going in the distance. Step 3 is to put the corner of your box on. And you want to do that by just using a vertical line below the horizon line, okay, like so. It doesn't have to be directly in the middle. It could be over here, or it could be over here. It's up to you. Step 4, we want to put the top of the box on by drawing lines from the top of the vertical line over to each vanishing point, like so. Step 5 is we want to put the bottom on. So we're going to draw a line from the bottom of the vertical line to one vanishing point and over to the other vanishing point. Step 6, we want to put the sides of our box on. So we just do that with vertical lines in between those two pathway lines we drew to the vanishing point. The important thing here to remember is that the vertical lines need to be really straight up and down, or it's going to look funny. Okay, so straight up and down on that side and straight up and down on this side. Step 7 is now we are going to show a bird's eye view. You're a bird flying over, and you're going to see the opening of that box. Okay, so to do that you need to go from the top end of your box over to the opposite vanishing point. And on the other side of the box you want to go to the other vanishing point. Okay, so these lines, as you can see, cross each other right here. Okay. Step 8 is we're going to show the back corner, back inside corner of this box right here. So you just draw a vertical line straight down from where these two lines cross to show that back inside corner. Again, this is the opening of our box. And then I've noticed some of you are also trying to draw some words on your box. So you can't just draw them regular. You have to create some pathways to the vanishing points for you to insert those letters into. So I drew my pathways, and notice how they go to the vanishing point. On this side they go to this vanishing point, on this side they go to this vanishing point. And then when I put my letters in, I need to draw them within those pathways. And you need to be careful still. You need to draw them straight up and down. Otherwise they're going to look slanted as well. So I'm just going to draw Mrs. Probably just going to be able to fit Mrs. in here. I'm trying to do this while I'm holding the iPad. Okay, so that still isn't quite right. My M looks the best. My R and my S, as you can tell, they kind of look like they're popping forward on the bottom a little bit. Okay, you want them to be straight up and down in here. Okay, so I would still need to make some adjustments on there, but you'll get to see how it looks correctly when I show you my finished example. Okay, and so then again, remember, after your box is completely drawn, you erase all these other lines around your box. Okay, so draw lightly as you're drawing your box so that those lines aren't present yet after you erase them. Okay, so here's my finished example. And remember, we are adding some lines inside our box to create tension or wind or energy, like mine does. So I call my box spiritual energy. And then I have some birds flying around as well, some clouds in the background. So try to put enough so that your picture looks complete, and not a lot of empty space around it. Okay? So, well, great talking to you, and I hope this helps, and have fun drawing your box projects. Bye.